Hello and welcome to part 4 of our video series, Getting Set Up with Modius 360 in Under 20 Minutes. We just finished the video creating a task, and you can actually see that I've added a few more tasks just to prepare us for this next video, which is going to be about processes. And so again, if we go over to our left side on the navigation, underneath the Operations tab, we see that there is a Processes link, which if we click will bring us up our process list. And a process in Modius is basically a way to group tasks. And so if you've got things that you do every single time, you've got some tasks that you've defined and you always do them kind of as a group. A process is a way to do that and kind of group those together so that you can bring those in as one. And so in our example here, we've got those 3 tasks of bottling product, labeling product, and packaging product. And I always do those 3 things always at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and say add new process. I'm going to say call it prepare product. So I'm going to say bottle, label, and package. And I'm going to hit the button select tasks, and it's going to show my tasks. Again, I can filter, I can search. If you've got a lot of tasks, you can it's easy to find. But I'm just going to go ahead and click those. I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to fill a bottle, I'm going to label a bottle, I'm going to package a bottle. Hit done. And at that stage now, we've got our tasks in there, and we've arranged them, and we hit save. And with that, we've got our very first process. If you need to, you can come back in by clicking on the link right there. And if you need to, you can rearrange, add additional tasks, update the description, whatever you need to do. But that's really it. It's very simple to make a process, and it's just a way to again to group tasks in a way that you don't have to always bring in individual tasks. You can just bring in a process and bring over a group of tasks.